Okay, so what we have here is an escapement wheel for a typewriter. I think it's maybe a 1950s vintage, and it's the Underwood brand. Um, but anyway, the typewriter is broken. The top carriage just slid back and forth freely, which isn't supposed to happen. And what I believe happened is the typewriter got dropped, and all the forces from the drop transmitted through that top carriage rack gear into this gear and broke off this lever that was once here. So anyway, the typewriter is broken, and here we've got the finished repair job. So basically I just designed up and made this metal lever here. It looks kind of like a teardrop shape. And we got a little groove in the spine of the lever, just because there's a torsion spring here before, and that's what keeps this lever locked. So here's a finished part. So it allows motion in one direction but not the other. It's locked in the other direction if I try to rotate it counterclockwise. Anyway, it's time to put this bad boy back together. If anybody needs any typewriters fixed or any vintage who's and what's it's, give me a shout. Over and out.